In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple step-by-step process to download and install InsertKit on your computer, even if you've never installed software before. Let's break it down into two easy parts so you don't get confused. First, the download process. Start by opening your web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, or any browser you usually use. Once it's open, go to the search bar and type InsertKit. From the results, click on the first official-looking link, and make sure you can clearly see the InsertKit logo before you proceed. Now look at the top section of the website. You'll find a button labeled Download. Click on it. After that, you'll see different options depending on your device, like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome extension, and Android. Choose the version that matches your system. In this case, we're selecting Windows. Once the download starts, wait for it to complete. After it finishes, go to your browser's download area and click Show in Folder. This will take you directly to the file you just downloaded. Now let's move to the installation part. Find the downloaded file in the folder, right-click on it, and open the installer. A setup window will appear. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions step by step. You'll usually need to click Next a few times as the setup progresses. When everything is complete, click Finish. That's it. Your installation is done, and the software is ready to use. And that's how you download and install InsertKit on your device. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.